In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your privacy settings while using ChatGPT, ensuring your interactions are kept as private as possible. Whether you're just getting started or looking to fine-tune your privacy, these steps will guide you through securing your conversations effectively. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Head on over to chatopenai.com and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the chat interface. If you want to experiment with privacy settings without affecting your ongoing conversations, simply click on the plus New Chat option. This lets you start fresh and test different settings without worrying about previous chats being impacted. Now, let's move on to the next important step, reviewing your account settings. This is where we really start to delve into enhancing your privacy. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings, then proceed to Data Controls. This section is crucial, as it will show you if your chat history is being saved. Here, you have the option to toggle the chat history and training setting on or off. If your aim is to increase privacy, you may prefer to turn this setting off. By doing so, your conversations won't be saved for training purposes, thus giving you more control over your data. It's worth noting that by disabling this feature, you'll help ensure your chats remain more confidential and less traceable. Finally, let's explore the use of private browsing as a means to further safeguard your privacy while using ChatGPT. In cases where you prefer your conversations not to be stored in your browser history, opening ChatGPT in incognito or private mode is the way to go. This simple yet effective method ensures that no traces of your activity are left behind. Remember to log out once you're done, especially if you're using a shared computer. This extra step can prevent anyone else from accessing your account or viewing your previous sessions. Logging out might seem like a small task, but it adds an important layer of security. In summary, adjusting your privacy settings involves a combination of accessing and modifying your ChatGPT account settings alongside utilizing private browsing modes. These steps work together to help protect your personal data while you're interacting with the model. Making these tweaks will provide peace of mind, knowing that your digital conversations remain confidential. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide helps you better manage your privacy on ChatGPT.